Quest, Discovery, General Knowledge, Questions and Answer, Exam-based. 56. Who took the pictures of the backside of the moon for the first time? Answer: Russian Space Shuttle Lunik 3 on the 7th of October 1959. 57. Who was the first spaceman to flew around the Earth? Answer: Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin on the 12th of April 1961. 58. Which was the longest match in men's Wimbledon tennis? Answer: Pancho Gonçalves beat Charlie Pasarol in 59. Which was the longest match in women's Wimbledon tennis? Answer: A. Weiwer's Beto Anderson 810, 14-12, 64-54 GMS in 1948, 60. Who was the youngest men's Wimbledon champion? Answer: Boris Becker in 1985, 17 years to 127 days. 61. Who was the youngest women's Wimbledon champion? Answer: Lottie Dodd in 1887, 15 years to 185 days. 62. Who is the oldest Wimbledon men's champion? Answer: A.W. Gore in 1909, 41 years 182 days. 63. Who is the oldest Wimbledon women's champion? Answer: E.M. Sterry in 1909, 37 years 182 days. 64. Which was the longest finals in men's Wimbledon? Answer: E.M. Sterry in 1909, 37 years 182 days. 65. Which was the longest finals in women's Wimbledon? Answer: M. Court beat Zhang Billy King in 1970 by 14-12, 179. 66. Which was the shortest finals in men's Wimbledon? Answer: B. Renshaw beat J. Hartley in 1881 by 6-0, 6,161 in 37 minutes, 67. Which was the shortest finals in women's Wimbledon? Answer: S. Loughlin beat F. I. Mallory in 1922 by 6-2, 60 in 23 minutes. 68. Who was the first black man Wimbledon to win? Answer: Arthur Ashe in 1975 when he beat Jay Connors. 69. Who was the first unseeded player to win the Wimbledon? Answer: 69. Richard Krajicek of Netherlands in 1996 when he beat Malawi Washington 63, 6-4, 63, 70. Who was the first women's central minister in India? Answer: Rajkumari Amritkaur. 71. Who was the first women chief minister in India? Answer: Sucheta Kriplani. 72. Who was the first women governor in India? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. 73. Who was the first women ambassador for India? Answer: Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. 74. Who was the first woman prime minister in the world? Answer: Indira Gandhi. 75. Who was the first women president of Undivided Indian Congress? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. 76. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer: Bachendri Pal. 77. Who was the only woman to win Nobel Prize twice? Answer: Marie Curie 1911. Physics 1903 Chemistry. 78. Name the youngest Nobel laureate. Answer: Sir William Bragg at 25 years. 79. Which organization has won 3 Nobel Prizes? Answer: Red Cross in 1917, 1944, and 1963.
80. What is carborundum? Answer: also known as silicon carbide. It is made by fusing coke and sand in electric furnace. 81. What is Admiralty brass? Answer: alloy containing 70% copper, 29% nickel and 1% tin. 82. What is alnico? Answer: permanent magnet materials, typically 10% aluminium, 15% nickel, 25% cobalt, remaining iron 83. What is an alloy? Answer: a substance of two or more elements of which at least one is a metal. 84. What is anodizing? Answer: process of artificially thickening the layer of aluminium oxide on the surface of aluminium and some of its alloys. 85. What is asbestos? Answer: fibrous mineral containing silicate of magnesium with iron and or calcium. 86. What is Babbitt metal? Answer: bearing metal tin base 3.5 to 15% antimony to 0.6% copper. 87. What is bauxite? Answer: hydrated alumina with silica and iron oxide, main source of aluminium. 88. What is a bloom? Answer: a semi-finished hot-rolled or hot-forged block of material. 89. What are cartridge brass? Answer: alloy of 70% copper and 30% zinc. 90. What is Muntze's metal? Answer: alloy of 60% copper and 40% zinc. 91. What is the composition of gunmetal? Answer: alloy of 85% copper, 5% tin and 5% zinc. 92. What is chirotru? Answer: low melting point alloy for pattern making, 58% bismuth. 42% tin melts at 135 degrees Celsius. 93. Which are the China silver? Answer: alloy of 60% of copper, 10 to 30% zinc, 10 to 20% nickel. 94. What do you know about Krogo? Answer: a dental alloy, 45% copper, 40% gold, 1% chromium, 0 to 2% platinum. 95. Which are Commel? Answer: permanent magnet alloy, 12%, cobalt, 17% molybdenum, balance iron. 96. What is a curie? Answer: that quantity of a radioactive material in which 3.7x 1017 disintegrations occur per second. 97. Which are dandelion metal? Answer: a bearing material, 18% antimony, 10% tin, balance lead. 98. What is deuterium? Answer: also known as heavy hydrogen, an isotope of hydrogen with a nucleus of 1 neutron and 1 proton. 99. What is emery? Answer: natural impure aluminium oxide, an abrasive used as an abrasive. 100. What are duralumin? Answer: aluminium alloy, 24.5% copper, 0.31.2% each of magnesium, silicon, iron and manganese industry, used exclusively in aircraft.